Kat, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to make this 3-ingredient curly hair cream. You can use more of this as a leave-in conditioner treatment overnight and then wash it out the next morning, or you can put it in your hair just a tiny bit and wear it like I am right now. It leaves my curls feeling super moisturized, and because it has aloe in it, it's not too heavy. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, especially for curly hair, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at mdxpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen. For this project, you'll need coconut oil, shea butter, aloe vera. You can use fresh or from a bottle if you don't want to have to refrigerate this, a microwave-safe dish, a spoon, a fork, and a container to store it in. Begin by putting 2 tablespoons of shea butter into your microwave-safe dish, then 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Then pop that into the microwave, heating it at 10-second intervals until the coconut oil is completely melted. Then take it out and stir it until the shea butter completely dissolves into the coconut oil and you don't have any lumps floating around. If you want to add a fragrance, at this point you can add some essential oils. I used grapefruit, add 5 to 10 drops, and then stir that thoroughly to integrate it. Once that's completely mixed in, you're ready to add your aloe vera gel, and again, if you use the aloe vera from a bottle that's pre-mixed, then your mixture will store without having to refrigerate it until the coconut oil expires. Then stir that thoroughly for about 30 seconds, and when it's completely done, everything will be completely smooth and the mixture will take on a bit of a cloudy appearance and will start to thicken up. When that's done, pour it into your pot and then pop it into the refrigerator to harden up for about 30 minutes. When it's finished, it will have a nice smooth texture and you just need the tiniest amount. Scrunch that into wet hair and then you will have soft, luscious curls that don't feel stiff or crunchy. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.